Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and you all are practicing questions. Let us do this one. In the arrangement shown in figure, system is in equilibrium. So ये system तुम्हारा equilibrium में है, ठीक है? पहले क्वेश्चन को और समझते हैं. There is a block A of mass m. So this has a mass m, and then there is block B. Mass is not given, but an insect is clinging onto it. I mean, it is simply attached to it, and this insect has a mass of a small m. Okay, pulley and a string are light. You have to consider that this since this is a single string, and since this pulley is massless, there is no mass coming in between this continuous string. Tension throughout a string will be what? Same. So यहाँ पे जो tension होगा, same tension will be here. ठीक है? The insect loses contact with the block B and begins to fall. Done है? After how much time the insect and block B will have separation L between them? सबसे पहले हमें यह समझना है कि इनिशियली सिस्टम इक्विलिब्रियम में है, एंड फॉर सच सिस्टम टू बी इन इक्विलिब्रियम यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट. जैसे ये बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है यार. यहाँ पे जैसे आप ध्यान से देखो, ए के पास मास m है, यहाँ पे टेंशन T है, यहाँ पे टेंशन T है, राइट? बिकॉज स्ट्रिंग इज लाइट, पुली इज मासलेस, टेंशन थ्रू आउट विल बी सेम. And if you write FBD of this M or A block, you will be writing, since this is in equilibrium, T is equal to mg. And this has, let's say, B plus insect has some mass. Okay, so that mass of B plus mass of insect into G. So this T has to be equal to mb plus mg. And if you compare these two equations, their LHS is same, right? So RHS has to be same. यानी कि mass of insect plus mass of B is equal to mass of block A. So mass of B is how much? M minus M. This is coming from the condition of equilibrium. क्योंकि initially it is in equilibrium, it makes sure that जितना mass इधर है, same mass is this side. So mass of A block plus B, mass of A will be equal to mass of B plus insect. Okay. So from there we are getting mass of B. Now the moment insect will leave the system, what will happen? ये वाला part light हो जाएगा, ये heavy है, so it will start going down and it will start going up. And in that case, suppose कर लो ये insect यहाँ से चला गया, so this has a mass of m minus m, this has a mass of m. What will be the acceleration of system? So I'm not going to write that detailed equation and all, because ये question बहुत ही simple है. एटोड मशीन है, सिंपल पुली है. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अगर ये मास m1 है और इस साइड मास m2 है, such that m1 is greater than m2, then acceleration A can be written as difference of these two masses, this divided by sum of these two masses into g. This is the acceleration. So simple is formula से हम यहाँ पे acceleration को लिख लेंगे. That will be equal to difference of masses, that is going to be equal to how much? Small m, divided by summation of masses, that is 2m minus m into g. So this is going to be the acceleration. So the moment this insect will, this is flying down, right? Loses contact with block B and begins to fall, right? Insect जो है वो contact को lose करता है and it start going down. And the moment it starts going down, A block starts going down also and B starts going up. So we have to talk about कि जब B तुम्हारा यहाँ तक पहुँच गया and insect has reached here, such that this separation is L, then in what time it has happened. ठीक है, so हमें टाइम निकालना है. अब ये टाइम हम कैसे निकालेंगे? देखो, so just at the time when insect started falling, what was the case? Velocity of block B was what? At that point of time, velocity of block B 0. ठीक है, initial velocity. Velocity of insect initial 0, right? At that point, what was the acceleration of insect? It was g downward. And what was the acceleration of block B? That was your mg by 2m minus m into this one in upward direction. ठीक है, and initial separation between B and insect is going to be how much? 0. So if we, and final separation is what? L. So if we try calculating everything of insect with respect to B, we can say that initial separation was 0. Finally, with respect to B, separation is L, meaning what? With respect to B, insect has moved down by distance of L, or you can say with respect to insect, B has moved up by distance L. So let's talk about relative thing. So relatively, if you use this equation, S equal to UT, S equal to S naught plus UT plus half AT square. So relative separation finally is a L. Initial relative separation 0. Initial relative velocity, that is 0 because both are having no initial velocity. And what is relative acceleration? So देखो, एक का acceleration down है, दूसरे का up है. So if you are calculating relative acceleration of insect with respect to B, let's say, so you will write AI minus AG, sorry, AI minus AB. ठीक है. So AI is G in downward direction minus of AB in upward direction. So down direction को अगर मैंने positive लिया because I'm writing plus G, so up direction को I need to take negative. So negative of mg divided by 2m minus m. Sort of this, right? समझ रहे हो ना? क्योंकि एक है डाउन, दूसरा है अप, सो एक को अगर पॉजिटिव लिया है, दूसरा नेगेटिव होगा. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द रिलेटिव एक्सेलरेशन? g प्लस दिस. सो रिलेटिव एक्सेलरेशन इज g प्लस mg divided by 2m minus m. So this will become how much? This will become 2mg divided by, क्योंकि 2mg minus mg that will get cancelled and this will become 2m minus m. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे आप लिख लो 2mg डिवाइडेड बाई 2m minus m t का square. So this will get cancelled and time will become how much? This will be 2m minus m divided by how much? mg into L is there, right? Here L is and root under. So this is going to be our answer. I hope you have understood this question, but if you have any doubt, you can always let me know in the comment section. Take care of yourself and keep on solving more number of questions. Bye bye. Take care.